Butterflies in your stomach. Hey guys, I'm Payal Kothari, the gut health nutritionist and the author of the book, The Gut. I'm sure at some point in your life you felt butterflies in your stomach. Do you ever wonder why? Or have you tried to understand those signs and signals of this emotional arousal? They could be a positive sign or it could be a negative sign. Or it could simply be potential red flags to pause and breathe and hold on to that decision. When we are nervous, we're awaiting some blood report or we're going to give an examination, that's when these palpitations happen and these butterflies in the stomach feeling happens. Now, butterflies in the feeling emotion is psychological and a physical experience, indicating emotional arousal. This can happen even when you're in an argument with your partner or before a PowerPoint presentation. Tell me, how do you address this emotion? Do you ignore it, dismiss it completely, or do you listen to it? I'll tell you, the biological fact of this emotional arousal is when you feel nervous or you're about to do something very important, your gut has an enteric nervous system. It simply triggers it, and there's a response in your central nervous system, activating your fight and flight mode and producing or releasing the adrenaline hormone that actually helps you make a decision. It also increases your heart rate. That's why you have heart palpitations when you're doing something important. All of that begins to redirect the blood flow from your stomach towards your arms and legs, actually to prepare you to fight or flight. This reduction of blood flow in your stomach is what causes the fluttering sensation, the butterfly sensations. So at this point, give your body more oxygen by deep breathing and staying calm, and literally listen to your gut feeling on what smart step to take or to step back. Delivering enough O2 to your nervous system can help reduce your panic, your heart palpitations, and make you take the sensible action. Try this response when you are in a fight and flight mode feeling, and let me know how it goes for you. So whenever you feel those butterflies in your stomach, breathe deeper and make smarter choices from your gut, heart, and brain, your three brains.